Hey guys, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. So in today's Mental Monday, I was sitting out here on my porch thinking about just life in general. And one thing that came to me and I realized lately, if you're seeing my previous videos, is that I have that saying on my wall. I will show you right here. There is that saying on my wall, and it was a saying that has been dear to me because in the past I've had issues with being kind of fear mongered, I guess you could say, and always kind of Debbie Downer, and just, and I guess it had to stem from anxiety a little bit. And that has helped me significantly not to be afraid of like storms, if storms were coming, or things I can't control, or just not to look at life in a negative aspect. And it's funny, now that my mom's gone, I guess you don't realize it when you're younger to take, you know, things in and how it affects you later. But one of my memories is that my mom used to love to listen to the rain. And as I got older, and I don't know what triggered it and why, but I guess, well, I don't want to say as I got older because it happened when I was younger too. I would be afraid sometimes of storms or rain. But with that saying, I've been trying to do some, praying, kind of meditation, just that you like figure out how to not be afraid of it. Be patient, be, uh, optimistic, and of course, prepare, but don't worry about it. And usually it's helped me a lot, guys. And so just sitting out here, I was thinking about when she used to listen to the rain and how she would like keep her glass sliding door open all the time and just listen to the birds, listen to nature. My mom loved nature. And so I'm finding myself, which is weird now, enjoying nature, like being grounded kind of a little bit in nature. The other day, I actually went outside with my oldest, and we were walking in the rain, guys. Playing in the rain and walking in the rain and just being a kid again. And it was fun. Like, of course, now if there's lightning and stuff like that, I wouldn't do that. But I find myself like just listening to the birds more and just little things like that. So I don't know if that's a little sign that she's still here with me and I'm just enjoying it more. I wish I would have enjoyed it more when she was here. But I guess the mental note for this Monday would be cherish those moments you have with your families, because when they're gone, you just sometimes don't realize it, and then when they're gone, then little things, remind you of them, which is a good thing, but at the same time, cherish it while they're here. So that will be my mental note, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.